Yeah guys, this evening I'm gonna do some curry chicken and dumpling. See my chicken in the pot, I'm gonna season my chicken. See my seasoning and see my flour. See my bag season them the way I'm gonna use. And my ground season and carrot everything with this. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna season it in the pot. You understand what I did? And when I finish season, I'm gonna make it soak for around 10 minutes. And then turn on the stove and make it go and cook. So guys, just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so look for my chicken, curry chicken and dumpling. See my flour there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make the chicken soak for say 10 minutes and then I come back, light the stove. You see, as always, you see it in the pot, I already put oil. I put my ground season, bag season, everything. So see me curry, see me chicken season. Yeah, and me all purpose. So everything in the pot. So what I'm gonna do now, I make it soak a little. And then I come back and light the stove. Guys, that one I got bad. Remember me tell you. This is the way how to season chicken. No matter of fact meat, any meat you season, this is the way how to season your meat. You understand me, I did? And if you want, when the pot near if you done, if you want to put piece more scallion and thyme, piece more onion, it's up to you. You understand me, I did little more powder season, same way, depends on how it tastes. If you want more powder season and them things, but me as a man now, I don't like a lot of bag season. And guys, you can season your meat like this and still burn the curry in the oil, but what I go do now, I not burn the curry. You see, same like how you see it in the pot, same way I go light the stove and make it go and cook. You understand what I did? So stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, so you see cover up in the pot. So what I go do now, I give 10 minutes to go and set. Curry go and soak in the meat and them thing there. You understand what I did? And then I come back, light the stove and you go see what I go on, guys. Me now burn no curry, same like how you see the meat in the pot. As same way I come back, me already put my oil, everything inside the pot already. So what I go do, just come back, light the stove and make it cook until it done. When you finish cook, you go see the finishing look. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light my stove and start my chicken. As you can see, you see that? So guys, when I go to the light the stove now and make it go and cook. I show you, say Nicholas a big chef. Remember that. So that's why I go light the stove. Guys, what I want, so I go just make it cook. I will put on me the flour pot at the same time to me. I already put everything in the pot already, seasoned everything, so watch what I want. Alright, I will light the stove now, put on the flour. There guys, so the flour pot on. And this is my flour. The one I'm gonna stick. Remember that. Guys, take a look in the pot now. Look what I've gone. See that? Now make it go and brown some more. You don't know curry cook already, so make it go and cook. Then we put water on it. Guys, I go see the finishing.